This Gemini notebook trick is a game changer. And I mean that not as a headline, as a fact. Give it one topic, it goes and finds real sources on the web. It builds you a full report with links back to where it got everything. Then it hands you a plan for a page you could actually publish, all from 3 prompts. That's it, 3 prompts. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of the SEO agency Goldie Agency. Julian reads every comment, so drop one below. Today I'm walking you through this Gemini notebook trick step by step. So stick with me. First, quick update. Notebook LM got a new name. Google renamed it Gemini Notebook back in July. Same tool, new name, new logo. And it got a real upgrade at the same time. It can now write and run code inside your notebook, not just read your files. Here's why this tool is different from a normal chat AI. A regular chatbot pulls answers from everywhere it was trained on. Sometimes it gets things wrong. It just makes stuff up and says it with confidence. Gemini Notebook doesn't work that way. It only answers from the sources you give it or the sources it finds for you. And every single answer comes with a link back to where that info came from. You can click it, you can check it, no guessing. That matters a lot if you're building anything for your business. If you're writing a report, a page, or a plan, you want it built on real facts, not made up ones. Now, here's the part that makes this a real trick and not just a tool review. Gemini Notebook has a feature called deep research. You give it one topic, it goes out and searches the web on its own, it finds sources, it reads them, it builds you a full report with citations all by itself. Free accounts, get 10 of these a month. That's plenty to test this out today. Let's use this to research something real. I'm going to use AI automation for small business because that's exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom, our community for business owners learning to automate with AI. Here's prompt 1. You type this into Gemini Notebook, research AI automation for small business. Use deep research to find the best, most recent and most useful information. Make a detailed report, cover the main ideas, the newest trends, the questions people keep asking, the problems people are running into, and real examples. Put it in clear sections with sources. Hit enter. Gemini Notebook goes to work. It searches, it reads, it writes you a full report with sources you can trust. That would normally take you hours of reading blog posts and opening tabs. Now it's just a few minutes. Here's a tip that makes this even better. You can drop your own files into the notebook too. Got an old blog post about the AI Profit Boardroom, a guide you wrote, a video you recorded, add it in. Now Gemini Notebook mixes what it found on the web with your own material. Your report gets better than anything a competitor could pull together because half of it is stuff only you have. If you want to see how business owners are already using tricks like this inside a real community, this is exactly the kind of thing we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We run 4 live coaching calls every single week, and a good chunk of them are just business owners walking through what they built with Gemini Notebook and Google's other free tools that week. We show you step by step how to turn one topic into a finished report, then into content, then into something that actually brings in new customers. There's a daily tutorial that breaks down tools like this one the moment they matter. There's a prompt library so you're not starting from a blank page. And there's a member map so you can find and connect with other people near you who are automating their business the same way. Links in the comments and the description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Okay, back to the trick. Most people would stop right there with the report. That's a mistake. A report full of research is just words on a page. The real value is finding what's inside it. That's what prompt 2 is for. Here's prompt 2. Look at this research and find the biggest questions people are asking. Find the problems they want solved. Find the topics nobody has covered well yet. Find keywords I could target. Then rank them from best to worst and explain why each one is good. This is where it gets useful. You're not just reading a summary anymore. You're finding the exact things people are typing into Google, the gaps nobody filled, the questions nobody answered well. Now you have a ranked list of the best topics to cover and reasons why each one works, and you haven't opened a blank document yet. Most people online will teach you how to write content. Almost nobody teaches you what to write about. Gemini Notebook just handed you that part, done with reasons attached. Now for prompt 3. This is the one that turns research into something real. You're going to build a full plan for a web page using another free Google tool called AI Studio. Here's prompt 3. Based on everything in this notebook, write me a detailed prompt for Google AI Studio. The prompt should build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. The page needs to explain what AI automation actually does for a business. It needs to show what members get inside the community. It needs to be built to bring in new visitors and turn them into leads. Include the layout, the headlines, the wording, and how it should look on a phone. Only give me the final prompt. Gemini Notebook thinks for a second, then hands you a full, ready-to-use prompt. You copy it, you paste it into AI Studio. AI Studio takes that prompt and actually builds the page. Real code, a real working page built to explain the value of AI automation and bring in leads for the AI Profit Boardroom. Google upgraded AI Studio earlier this year so it can build full pages and apps straight from a prompt like this one. So this step is faster than it's ever been. Think about what just happened there. You started with one topic. Gemini Notebook found the research. It found the best angles to cover. It wrote the exact prompt needed to build a page. And AI Studio built that page. You didn't open 10 tabs. You didn't write a single line of code. Let's lock in the whole process because it's simple once you see it. Step 1, Gemini Notebook researches your topic and builds a report with real sources. Step 2, Gemini Notebook finds the best angles and ranks them for you. Step 3, Gemini Notebook writes the exact prompt for your page. Step 4, AI Studio builds that page. 4 steps, 2 free tools, 1 topic to start with. Most people learn something like this, use it once, then forget about it. Don't be most people. The whole point is you now have a repeatable process. Next time you need to explain a new AI tool to your audience or explain what your business actually does, you run the same 4 steps again. Same tools, new topic, new page. That's really what separates people who use AI to save real time from people who just watch videos about AI. It's not about knowing the tool exists, it's about actually running the steps. If you want the full walkthrough of this exact process with a Gemini Notebook prompt library already built for you, come check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This week's coaching call is walking members through building their own deep research reports and turning them straight into working pages with AI Studio, the exact steps I just showed you. We've already got a roadmap inside for setting this up for your own business, not a generic one built specifically around Gemini Notebook and AI Studio, so you're not guessing at prompts. There are members inside already using this exact combo to build out pages and content for their own offers. You'll get the coaching calls, the daily tutorials, the prompt library, and a member map to connect with other people running this same workflow near you. Links in the comments and description, or head to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want to go even deeper, or you're just getting started and want the free version of everything we teach, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community, over 75,000 members strong. Inside, you'll get the video notes from this exact episode, our SOPs, and more than 100 AI use cases like the one I just showed you, all laid out step by step. Links in the comments and description for that one too. So there it is. That's the Gemini Notebook trick that changes how you do research. 1 topic in, a full report, the best angles, and a working page out. All from 3 prompts and 2 free tools. Go try it today. Pick 1 topic in your business and run all 3 prompts. Let me know in the comments what topic you're researching first. Julian reads every single one. I'll see you in the next video.